shops where people are carving things with chainsaws. You can buy an eagle, a grizzly bear, a gopher. You can buy almost anything.
I don't know how you
in fact,
carve
it's got
something
to
with a
be such a
chainsaw.
popular thing that we're actually seeing chainsaw carving as an event in professional logger sports. We're really lucky today in that we have one of the best chainsaw carvers in the world with us, Tony Bush. He's agreed to carve for us. Tony, what are you going to carve for us today?
Well, first of all, since you're all here and we have a little time, let's talk about Amway. Tony, we're doing a show here. All right, I couldn't resist. I'm going to carve a little animal I saw on my way from home to here today.
Can you give us a little more detail than that?
Oh, right. Usually I like them to guess as I go along, but since today, and today only, I'm going to do a speed carving. But, and it's way too fast for you guys to guess as I go along. So let me see. This animal has a fluffy little tail, floppy ears. Hippie hops down a certain trail around Eastern time. Goes to the name of Peter, Roger, Bugs, and Eddie, and does commercials for Energizer. That's it. No more.
It's a rabbit.
What's he gonna carve? He's gonna carve a bunny? There's gonna be a bunny? All right. All right. He's gonna do a speed carve
I
of
don't
a
know how
bunny.
anybody would think it's a turtle.
Okay, you got it now.
What's my time?
That's it.
Come on. Wait a minute.
What?
You said you were gonna carve a bunny.
I did. It's right here. Eyes, ears, nose, tail, everything.
That doesn't look like any bunny I ever saw.
It looks exactly like the one right in front of the Blue Moon on Highway 2.
We're not gonna let you get away with that, all right? No. Come on, Tony. You said you'd carve us a rabbit. We want to see a rabbit.
Whoa, it's actually getting in my eye.
Well, don't lose it.
Right here.
Now for the hard part. It's a good one.
You can sit up.
What is that?
You guys want to see it? I think it's like... Best one ever!
Let's not encourage him, folks. Come on.
What am I missing? Alright, wing the tail. I'll tell you what, I'm going to break out a new cut I've been working on. Fluffy eyebrows. Here we go. Well, complete silence! Love the eyebrows! Oh, what are you doing? Come on!
Yeah.
Cover for me! I'll fix it! I'll fix it!
Tony, you can't fix it.
Fluffy
Tony,
eyebrows, see?
Tony is broke. around someplace. Think about what you've done. We got a show we're going to continue with.
Oh, he made a chair.
Look at that! You see that?
See, he carved a stool.
What's that? What's that cute little thing you're sitting on? What's that cute little thing you're sitting? You want to see that cute little thing you're sitting on there? Come on, Tony, show him that cute little thing. No, Tony, what's that?
Purely by accident, I carved a small chair.
It looks like a toilet.
It's a, I say the jokes, kid, all right? It's a little small for me, so I thought I'd pick somebody out of the crowd that fit a little better. See, what's the little guy in the blue and the... Oh, well, yeah, right there. Out here. You gotta do a few things for me. Can you give me 5? Wave to the crowd. Can you point out your dad to me? That'll be $20, pal.